It was pretty straightforward. The filament performed superbly though, and the machine handled the tall skinny model pretty well. This is quite the good looking box thing, I guess. Now on to one that wasn't quite as straightforward. Scaling the build volume model for the Qidi Plus 4 was super annoying to say the least. I think I finally managed to get it to fit at like 299 or 300 millimeters for X and Y, which I guess is close enough to the advertised 305 by 305. The claimed 280 build height was accurate at least, but the X and Y were a little bit gray.